JSD Solar's portable solar power system can power all daily household appliances. Power outage? No worries! JSD Solar has your back. Seamless power for even high-demand appliances. The maximum output power is 3 kW, which can easily satisfy high-power home appliances. Portable design, easy to carry. Can be equipped with portable solar panels, all integrated design, plug and play. Can be charged and power at the same time. Comes with USB and Type-C interfaces, which can charge all mobile phones. High photovoltaic conversion efficiency and fast charging. JSD Solar, power your home.